Love taco casserole, hate the mess in the oven? Let's do it the easy way. For best results, remove any excess liquid from the meat so the casserole won't become too soupy. If you like your casserole really cheesy like I do, mix some cheese in the casserole, then we're gonna put some on top. Let the casserole simmer for 3 to 4 minutes or so, or until the most liquids are evaporated. Place all the toppings on the casserole and let it sit for about 5 minutes before serving so everything settles perfectly. This taco casserole skillet is quicker, easier, less messy, and seriously satisfying. I can't stop eating it. Enjoy your casserole with some guacamole, sour cream, or even Greek yogurt. This is the bite you want. Cheesy, hearty, crunchy on top, and way easier than any taco night. Want a lighter or softer version? Use ground turkey, pinto beans, maybe even some corn, and crush the chips finer. And there you have it. Taco casserole comfort with less mess and no oven. Would you keep it classic or make it spicier? Let me know below. And if you love taco dinners, watch my one pan beef and rice taco skillet next. It's already past 20,000 views. Very popular. And please like and subscribe for more easy one pan meals. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.